Hey everybody, welcome back to another episode of Yeah!
And we are on site today at Quezon at the lovely Balagbag Falls!
Wow!
Balagbag Falls is located in Barangay Malapad in Quezon. We went there on 2 occasions in July 2022 when we spent 14 days living the van life on the beach.
But this is nothing compared to the weekend which you're traveling to. You want to hit this place on a weekday if you can. On the weekend, it's kind of crazy. There's people cooking food with open fires right next to the waterfall. We're like 150 people here probably. Now there's only one van full and one SUV full and a motorcycle.
Yeah.
And because it's rained hard all week, the falls are flowing a lot harder than they were before, as you can see. There's even an offshoot that wasn't flowing the last time we were here. Near the bamboo stairs. Anyway, you ready to climb those stairs, Miriam?
Oh!
We probably won't get that risky today. Just kidding.
We might find a few clips where people are daring enough and have an adventurous trip. Let you see how much adventure you can have in this place.
Yeah. I think it's food time. Woo! Yes, Miriam? Maybe Miriam's gonna try squid today. Our little vegetarian. But look what we have. Yeah. Besides an awesome view, that is.
Alright, we have garlic butter shrimp, squid adobo, spicy, extra spicy, and stir-fried tofu, steamed rice. And for a little vegetarian, we have per usual cucumbers and carrots. And if that's easy enough, she has her bamboo beans in the bag.
Oh, good. Okay, bon appetit.
So we had a nice time here at Balagbag Falls.
Yeah, blast. It was great.
Oh yeah, it was amazing, refreshing to be here at the falls.
Yeah, overcast day, so it's a little bit cooler. And the rains from the mountains, I think, got into the rivers, of course.
Yes.
So it was pretty cold water. Colder than the last time we were here.
Yeah, the only regret that I have is I wasn't able to fly the drone as much as I could because
Yeah,
it's
we
in a
tried.
canyon. Because in a canyon you
Yeah, I
don't
know.
get GPS, and I am not just gonna risk flying without GPS. And
I would have. But
it's hard. There was zero satellite signal here, and I could feel that the drone wasn't responding in a way that it should, and that's just gonna be really, really hard, especially if there were people underneath it.
someone's in the dressing room.
I didn't want that responsibility. And someone,
We just got bombed by a dressing room changes.
yeah. But if you want to come here, it's 40 pesos per adult. Miriam's only 5 years old, so didn't have to pay for entrance fee. And yeah, it's very nice, refreshing experience. Come to Balagbag Falls.